Hey guys, in today's video, I have for you a mini mystery box of awesome. If you're curious to see what kind of things they put in a box like this, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you another mini mystery bag of awesome. Guys, we know this bag has never been awesome for me, and honestly, I don't know why I'm still getting it because I never get anything that I think is really awesome. But you know what? I guess I'm just hanging on with the hopes that I'll get something really cool. So without further ado, let's see what they put in this thing. Okay, guys, so here's their bag. This is what their little logo looks like. And I did open the side of it, but I didn't look in yet because I want to give you guys an authentic reaction of whatever the heck they put in this thing. So let's see what's in here. Oh, guys. We'll start with the fun thing. I always get excited about this, but they always provide a nice little fun activity for you to do. It has like a crossword puzzle, and then they have, how many words can you make out of the word November? Let me challenge you guys to do that one. I love these kinds of things. I'm just not very good at it. And then leaves change colors during autumn. Color your own unique leaf. Just some fun things that I can do with my son and, you know, myself. So, whatever. That's the first thing. Let's set that aside and see what's so awesome in here. Okay, so we have some super movers for moving your furniture effortlessly. Wow! Okay, I don't need to move my furniture. I'm not even strong enough to move it. It's pretty heavy, so I mean, I can put this in a giveaway. Whatever. All right, that's the first thing. Awesome. Right? Okay, so this is, what is this? It's a magic pad, anti-slip, temper-resistant, non-magnetic. Okay, so it looks like from the back here that it will hold like your keys and your phone and things like that, and it's not magnetic. Now that's actually pretty cool. Like, I'm interested to see if this thing actually works. So, I mean, this product isn't bad. I mean, it's not great, but, you know, whatever. We'll see how it goes. So far, I'm not wowed by the awesomeness, but let's see. Is this the last thing? Oh, this is the last thing. What is this? This is a mist and sip. Squeeze trigger to mist. So, here you go. There's that. Okay, so I will not use this, but I do have nieces and nephews that are in sports and things like that. So, I mean, maybe they'll, you know, mist themselves with this thing and, you know, take a drink. I don't know. I don't know what the A is. You know what? If I don't know if that's a certain team or not, so forgive me if this is somebody's favorite team. But what I'll probably do is I'll probably take this off of here and I will put an Ohio State logo on there because my nephew's really into Ohio State and I actually think he would use this. So this could be going in part of his Christmas gifts. So good thing he doesn't watch my videos because he would know what he was getting. Well, part of what he's getting. I mean, that's not going to be the whole gift, of course. All right, guys, I don't know. I think I'm going to hold out. I said if I didn't get a good bag this month, I was going to cancel, but I think I'm going to hold out for the Christmas bag and see what they put in that one, see if they beef it up any more than they have been. And if it's a disappointment, I will most likely cancel, but honestly, the anticipation of what's in this bag is kind of what keeps it going for me. It's $9.99 a month, so I just, you know, kind of want to see what they put in it. So that's why I keep doing it. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have a lot more fun videos coming up very soon, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of them. That's all I got for you guys this time. I will catch you in my next video. Bye! To be honest with you, I don't know why I'm still getting it, but I guess it's just the thrill of maybe they'll send me something awesome. I don't know. But let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous? Nope. Try it again. No. Hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? Oh, it just looks so weird. One more time.